Remember that software I offered to give you for free? The one that helps you start conversations, build relationships, get leads, and make sales daily by leveraging your Facebook friends' birthdays? The one that runs automatically for you daily. You can still get it for free just by clicking on this ad and putting in your email address. No strings attached, no credit card required. And here's what some of the people using it daily say about it. I love this extension. I use it all the time, and now I never have that regret that I forgot someone's birthday. It's a great way to show a little love. Birthday Wisher is so much more than a quick happy birthday software. I have been using it to help sell my own products. I love that I can message a few days before a person's birthday, then on their actual birthday, and follow up the next day. Great way to connect when a person is open to having people celebrate a special day. Great software, and for an inexpensive monthly fee can really add money to your pocket. Such an amazing software. Not only was I able to connect with old connections that I've lost contact with, but now I actually have a legitimate reason to contact them and restart the conversation once again. Just from wishing them a happy birthday, I've already gotten 5 appointments from those I've nearly had to delete them off my list. Highly recommend this awesome tool. There's a lot more amazing reviews, but I'm giving it to you for free. So why not click the ad, put in your email address, and try it out yourself.